It's been a dark day. You come home from North Carolina seeing all that devastation. You argue on the phone, you don't talk. You walk in the house, it's empty. And the only thing left on the walls is the pictures of what used to be. Tough shit, dark days. It hurts. And then you line up, you put yourself together, you put the glue on, the makeup, the little bit of ego, and you grab your balls by the hand, right? And you muster up and you voyage out in earth into the world. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. And then you wreck your truck. You see your life flash in front of you. Right? Then you make an insurance claim. Then you realize that you spent all your life on dope in prison. Then it comes back around that, you know, there was a lot of years I wasn't a daddy to my father. I wasn't a father to my daughter. I wasn't a son to my dad. Lord, I am sick and fucking tired of not getting out of life what I want, God. Crisis. Like it's a sponge ball. Crisis has come to serve me. Right? Heartache and pain. Challenge. Hurt. Darkness, right? A man of character. A man that's made many mistakes. An imperfect son of a bitch, right? Can you identify with that? You feel me? It's been one of those days, right? That I wish I could change shit and I can't. Because it takes more than one to change. Hallelujah. You know, everything is going to be okay in the end. And if it ain't okay, guess what, motherfucker? It ain't the end. And I'm going to saddle my fucking horse up. And I'm going to put my sword on my back. And I'm going to gather myself with my armor. And I'm going to lead me and what's left of me and my people that call out. And lift my sword in the fucking sky and cry out the glory of God. And resist temptation to fail and hunker. And punish motherfuckers with my success. And lead on. And let Christ serve me to victory and glory. Let it fuel me, Father. Let it breathe into me. Because I know I'm not the only motherfucker that feels this way. I'm not alone. And great be the task and weigh it on my shoulders that I'll be the one to swing the fucking hammer, to heal the wounds, to lay the blows, right? To get defeated and defeated and defeated and never fucking give up. Because I know the secret. In the end, it's okay. And if it ain't okay, it's not the end, motherfucker. Fluent American fucking English.